just received a new bounty contract.
What is it?
Apparently, one of the elemental spirits that was slain during the Demon Wars has been brought back to life. They spotted it in the center of the Weeping Woods, driving the wildlife mad just with its presence.
It was raised from the dead.
So claims the Archmage.
Indeed. It seems him and half of Valentia are claiming things are coming back to life. As long as the contracts keep paying.
The bounty hunter. Has someone put a price on my head?
Sorry, matey. No bounties on you today.
So, what brings you this deep into my realm?
I'm hunting an undead elemental. Happen to see it? Is it near?
Closer than you think.